Hello everyone, welcome back to Edutainu. In this lecture, we will be talking about physics. In our previous lectures, you have learned how to build for Android. So in this lecture, you will be studying about physics in Unity. So let's start. Physics. So you can see a physical structure of this game Angry Bird. So the main motive of this game is to throw the structure or to break the complete structure using some of the object or an Angry Bird. Okay. So when you're hitting the object, the boxes or the structures will fall away. Okay. That is in the real world. If you talk about physics, so you can see a physical installation of a game of Angry Bird. So the main motive of this game is that you throw a bird or a object towards the pigs or the structure. You have to break down the structure over there. Okay. So when you throw the object or an Angry Bird towards the structure will fall down. Okay. That is in the real world. If you talk about in a computer world, when you throw an object towards the structure, it won't fall away. Because in reality, physics works automatically. But in computer, physics does not exist. Okay. So there are some of the components of physics that we have to simulate. So how you will be simulating those things? You will be using a physics engine. So physics engine is an engine that helps us to simulate a physics environment. So we have some of the components of physics. So let's see. We have a gravity. You know what is a gravity? Gravity is a downward pull. It is a force that is pulling downwards. We have a motion, like whenever you kick a ball, making the ball move is a motion. We have a momentum. Making the ball keep on rolling is a momentum. And if we talk about friction, when any two bodies rub each other, generating a heat, that is the friction. Okay, these are some of the components of physics that we will be simulating using a physics engine. So what is a physics engine? What is a physics engine? As I told you, that physics engine helps us to create an artificial environment of physics. So we have physics engine that is owned by NVIDIA. So this is an open source, so anyone can use this one, and it is accelerated by GPU. You know by what GPU is? It's a graphic card. It uses your graphic card to give you a better performance. And like many other companies like Unity, Unreal Engine also uses this physics engine. Okay. Now we have physics processing. We have a physics engine, but we will be seeing a processing, like how the physics engine is working. So over there we have a loop. Okay, first of all we will be running a simulation. Then we will be updating the object that is going to move. And then we will be finalizing its location, and then we will be rendering an object. So this loops goes on working. Okay, so I will give you an example. Like first of all, I'm going to kick a ball. Okay, so first of all, I will be running the simulation. Then I will be updating the object, my foot getting touched towards the football, and then I will be keep on rendering the object to a new place. Okay, yes. If you're having an Oculus Rift, so Oculus Rift uses 90 frames per second. So you will be running this loop 90 times a second. Okay, so this is how physics processing works. So let's summarize what we have learned in today's lecture. We have told you that in reality physics works automatically, but in computer world it doesn't exist. To make those physics environment, we have a physics engine that helps us to create those physics environment. And then we have a physics processing that will be running a loop many times per frames to make our physics engine work a better way. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.